在澳洲有真侪优秀的运动员是当地原住民，不过长期以来，教练的骹手是真欠缺。即嘛有一个奖学金的计划，当地培养12个原住民运动员正做教练，希望会当培养出更较侪出球的运动员。
看起来真专心在指导场顶的选手，训练结束了后，为一个课互相分享想法。澳洲北部的城镇凯瑟琳体育馆内的原住民教练当参加一场培训，要正做精英教练。
Not just playing on the field, but being behind the scenes and coaching and bringing them through the ranks.
澳洲奥会希望改变长期以来欠原住民教练的现象，透过这项计划，替原住民来提供奖学金，培训精英教练。18个月的计划，对各地选出来的12个原住民教练，要来学安怎正做精英教练。
First is around mentoring, but it's also actually changing the system to actually ensure they're welcomed. So you create the cultural awareness training, but also understanding what it means that Olympic movement for everyone. And you need to create culturally safe practices, education, awareness, and that's part of the role we play here.
强生是澳洲体育的奥运地招标选手，目前2003年的100米走出9.93秒的成绩，甲他同款是澳洲走上紧的查甫人。伊希望透过这项计划，让原住民真正入来到教练的体系。2022年第一摆执行的时阵，敢若培训4个篮球教练；2023年的时阵，人数增加3倍，而且是包括电竞、游水和歪滚球。
There's not much Indigenous hockey players. Being out in the community now will just get more people into the sports.
公司新闻地位任编译。